Good afternoon, Mom and Sir. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself to you. I am Jemima Megan Pontungan Bona, 27 years old, and I am turning 28 this coming May 10, 2024. I am a college level. I took 2 years in college. For some reason, I did not finish my college. We are four in our family: my mother, father, brother, and me. I am the eldest. Since my mother and my father broke, my father has a family in Cagayan de Oro, and they have six children. And also my mother have a family in Manila. They have five children. And now my mother is in abroad working as a housemaid in Malaysia. I have a job experience here in the Philippines as a housemaid. My employee is a Filipino. My job description is to taking care of their children and washing, ironing clothes, cooking, and cleaning the house. Mom, if you confirm me, I will do my very best to do my duty. I promised you that I am a hard working person. And also, you can trust me because I am an honest person and I am a God fearing. Thank you and God bless.